It is like you cool me down. Oh, baby, yeah. Listen to me now. Ever since we met, baby, no need for running around. Looks like you cool me down. Okay, cool me down, girl. And time is a wasting whenever you're not around. Look like you cool me down, girl. You cool me down. I don't need another lover. I don't even have to bother. I found it in you. Now I feel brand new. You understand the little things that make loving work. You give me all I need and more, and I love you, girl. Oh, since we've been hanging, no more flirting around. Oh, girl, you cool me down. You cool me down, yeah. And she gives me something that keeps me staying around. This girl cools me down. You cool me down, baby. And what you giving to me? Me have to tell my friend from Chimney. She have the size and the figure well suited for me. And yes, she bright and she write love letters for me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Me and my woman make a perfect team. Like the perfect watch to the perfect jeans, I tell you. And if you bitch me, it won't even have meaning. Oh, this is real, I'm not dreaming. Cause when I'm around you, feel high, still feet on the ground. Woman, you cool me down. Cool me down. Baby, 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 so happy that I found you.
You're my favorite boy. You bring such joy to my world. Tell me I'm your favorite girl. You're my favorite boy. Come dance with me forever. Tell me I'm your favorite girl. Me love the way you look, me love the way all you walk on. Me love the food you cook, me love the clothes where you have on. Yeah, me love the way you keep me safe in a storm. And you alone can make me feel good. Whoa, me never feel like this from a van. But now me see the right thing clearly.
Reggae,
you want me at the right thing clearly overall. Loving running over like Niagara Falls. You're my favorite boy. You bring such joy to my world. Tell me I'm your favorite girl. You're my favorite boy. Come dance with me forever. Tell me I'm your favorite girl. Ooh, my life is filled with laughter. This is truly happily ever after, like a story or a movie with the credits starring you and me. And nobody could ever separate me from my heart. No matter what them try, them can't tear us apart. Yeah, we connected like the internet. Me put no different. You're my favorite. You bring so much joy to my world. I'm your favorite. Tell me, baby, you're my favorite.
Anytime you want a man to keep you warm, I'll open up my arms for you. Me will take wet up, give me umbrella, walk in a rain too. What I would do, only for you. And anytime you want a real man to listen when they talk, give real loving from the heart, but we do it too. Girl, just say the word. Me the one fi make you fly like any bird. Put up on a natural high. This a not ready fit high. Active in your life like many verbs. Yeah. Make sure say you happy. If me get you in a me life, me no need a dark tea. What if me a miss a right and you fi be me wifey? How we a gonna know if you not make me be the man fi keep you warm and open up my arms for you? Me will take the weight up, give me umbrella, walk in a rain too. Oh girl, what I would do, only for you. Anytime you want a real man to listen when you talk, give real loving from the heart, but we do it too. My heart beat fast anytime I get that chance to approach you are the hardest task. If I even your name, me have to know, because if me not try it, I go be my last. I wanna tell you how much you're beautiful, even though it's obvious. You make me stutter every time I see you, baby. Lady, let me be the man to keep you warm and open up my arms for you. Me will take the weight up, give me umbrella, walk in a rain too. Yeah, oh girl, what I wouldn't do.
She love me infinity, but me not talk me care. I know that makes you want to smile. No. Nah, end like a movie. She said me not losing her. Just like how the world turning, just like a volcano burning. Me can't fight the feelings emerging. Me appreciate your love. You give me non-stop loving, my darling. You give me non-stop loving, oh girl. And if a man ever find a girl like you, he woulda be the happiest man in the world. You give me non-stop loving, my baby. Oh, every minute, every hour, every second of the day. She love me and she never ever take an holiday. Her actions let me know say that she woulda never stray. Love you, my baby. You treat me like a king should be treated. You're not gonna be alone. You love me and you never keep it a secret. I'm glad that you're my own. You give me non-stop loving, my darling. You give me non-stop loving, oh girl. And if a man ever find a girl like you, it would have been the happiest.
My girl call me, tell me say I daddy flexing away. Through the night we are texting away. Tell her lock up my song, don't listen no VINCI, cause you'll get in your way. Him watch she study all night, I'll work and don't play. But she saying no way. Well, if I respect you are the real big man, but what you don't really understand, yeah. She's my motivation, oh yeah, and I am her inspiration, oh yeah. And if you say we are part that mash up me heart to my mind without me I don't have. And her love is God's perfect creation. Girl, I just the first time we kiss I could tell you're the one for me. Not the first time we walk hand in hand, you me feel it in my heart, girl. And anytime you're gone, you're not there. Yeah, you me really want. You really love them more each and every other day. And when you're family, don't seem to see it our way. Yeah, she's my motivation, oh yeah, and I am her inspiration, oh yeah. And if you say we are part that mash up me heart to my mind without me I don't have. And her love is God's perfect creation.
So me up on a country bus, I come a town. Me can't remember when last me go a town. Me a run up little hustling a run a town. So me am head for the big city. Yeah, me up on a country bus, I come a town. Me hear say one of the pretty girls them they done a town. Me woulda love to get a daughter or a son a town. So me am head for the big city. Me wanna come to see with me paper me a read and a come in. The driver just a flash it and a speed and a come in. Then him stop out again please. Pick up a party boy in our fault here a wave and a come in. Me see a Rasta man a roll up all the weed and a come in. Me see the market people load up on a lead and a come in. The bus stop again a man upon them say a funny man. Me swear blind is a comedian a come in. Run the country bus, I come a town. Oh Lord, me can't remember when last me go a town. Me hear son of little hustling a run a town. So me a head for the big city. Yeah, me up on a country bus, I come a town. Me hear say one of the pretty girls in the down a town. I woulda love to get a daughter or a son a town. So me a head for the big city. When every other district we pass, me see go and eat grass. Goats a walk up and down like them last. The troublemaker conductor see a cane man and ask. If I choose a jelly man, them have the sharpest last. School picnic a ball and I say them late for class. Granny a ball say the driver drive too fast. And everybody in the bus start go. Say why the last time the driver stop the paper by the gas on the country bus, I come a town. Oh Lord, me can't remember when last me go a town. Me hear son of little hustling a run a town. So me am head for the big city. Yeah, me the on a country bus, I come a town.
come take a walk with me? Nikupeleke hadi Kenya, come back home. Nikupeleke hadi Kenya, come back home.
Reggae
Complete is the way that me feel anytime you look at me. Me know what we try come out of this island. Been around and seen a lot of gal around AI, but none of them still caught me eye. See you that I want and I need in my life, AI. Me wanna show you bits of me culture, so let me take you to a country that me call the yard. Down in East Africa, Kingston, gal, won't you come take a walk with me? Yeah. Kingston, gal, won't you come take a walk with me? Nikupeleke hadi Kenya, come back home. Nikupeleke hadi Kenya, come back home. Me want to take you to a town called Nairobi. Take you on Panama tattoo the whole day. Take you to me family so that you know me. Make we eat that yama choma the whole day. Baby, come in on me yard. Let me show you how me want to treat you from the start. Remember that? So let me take you to a country that me call the yard. Down in East Africa, Kingston, girl, won't you come take a walk with me? Yeah. Kingston, girl, won't you come take a walk with me? Nikupeleke hadi Kenya, come back home.
To all of my ladies around the world, nobody can do it like you. Them coulda never do it like you. I say to all of my ladies around the world, nobody couldn't compare to you. One of a kind and that's so true. Listen me now. I said the USA girl, them no short from beauty. Canadian girl, them a shine like ruby. South American, them have a piece of booty. But me love Caribbean girls truly. So give me a island girl if you want me heart. Trinidad, Antigua, Bahamas, Lord. When I hear it to them forward in every spot. Jamaican girls have it in me heart. So to all of my ladies around the world, nobody can do it like you. Them coulda never do it like you. I say to all of my ladies around the world, nobody couldn't compare to you. One of a kind and that's so true. Yeah, me said the European girls, them got legs for days. Woo. Asian girls, them well behaved. Australian girls got a nice sun glaze on their skin because they be up on the beach for days. Motherland, me nah lift you. That dark chocolate of a skin make it echo. Me hold on tight, you know me nah let go. I've got a message to send you to all of my ladies around the world. Nobody can do it like you. Them coulda never do it like you. I say to all of my ladies around the world.
Say, yeah. All we need is one night together, and we never wanna be apart. We'll share a love like no other, and I'll forever protect your heart. Let me love you, girl. Oh yes, let me love you, girl. Oh yes, oh yes. A long time me I see you around the place, and realize you is a woman with no time for waste. So let me give you love and reality, strictly prosperity. Once you're happy, so I give you my everything. And see the book, just wanna see you smiling all the time. The joy of when you and I intertwine. Right now it's just a dream, and me want me come reality, reality, baby. All we need is one night together, and we never wanna be apart. We'll share a love like no other, and I'll forever protect your heart. Let me love you, girl. Oh yes, let me love you, girl. Oh yes, oh yes. I can see how far we can go. Even if it's rough, we still not letting go. And baby, I sure will able got me name. A future full of love is all we gonna gain. I'm telling you, with a little love you loving at the morning, to carry me through the day and the evening. Words are not enough to express the feeling that I'm feeling. But I know it, all we need is one night together, and we never wanna be apart. We'll share a love reach your heart. Let me love you, girl. Oh yeah. Yes, I know life ain't easy, and the system cheat way, and enough innocent going down evidently. I know they try to figure out why. In our blood, them watch out why. And chewing up the money, them a try use riches straight away. But they can't stop us from reaching the top, so we keep holding on. Yes, they can't stop us from reaping that crop. Babylon, you're going down, cause our goals and dreams, yeah. Yes, we got to go for that. And all the innocent killings and the blood where you shed, yeah. We got to get over that. Okay. We're coming from far and still have far to go.
Reggae capital.
The system of our keep us down below. Yeah, just the wages are small and this you ought to know. We not both in the money, society is the only place we want to go. So they can't stop us from reaching the top, so we keep holding on. Yes, they can't stop us from reaping that crop. Babylon, you're going down, cause our goals and dreams, yeah. Yes, we gotta go for that. And all the innocent killings and the blood where you shed, yeah. Got to get over that, yeah. No answer when you test that. No help when you're crying out for mercy. Them system hurt me in the worst way, but yet still we carrying on the journey. Nothing in place to elevate why. No future for the neighbors. This we witness in daylight. Poverty, oh. So I know life ain't inside, and the system cheat way, and enough innocent going down evidently.
Working hard every day, till I can hardly see my way. But to the Most High, JAH, I pray it's gonna be okay. I rise early in the morning before the sunrise. Sleep still the inner me two eyes. The one room pack up like a stadium. Touch the road and look the rent we gon' clear down. Even though life tough, I know things definitely have to get better one day. So I now go get discouraged every day. I work hard and pray. Working hard every day, till I can hardly see my way. But to the Most High, JAH, I pray it's gonna be okay. Okay. It's gonna be alright. Even though life tough like a rock stone, still up on the road that on the food we bring back home. Blood sucker them a bite neck and a crack bone. Them now want to see man turn a king and get feel like throne. But you know fi make them rock your vibes, no make them cut your speed, no make them hold you down. Keep a smile on your face, don't ever frown. And we got to keep working hard every day, till I can hardly see my way. But to the Most High, JAH, I pray it's gonna.
Tell them say love about no frightened way. We say I talk hypocrite talk. From over distant land and says, Jah reveal them all today. See the newspaper print up them bag a lie. To the internet round the world it a fly. Now so much people have so much to say. Well they never need Rasta yet. Sing a one thing and cause so much uproar around the world. I saw we know say people no business with nothing positive. I'll be your arms out and strictly negative. They live in chat about in the media and have the subjects about those in need. Them claims say good news not sell no paper. Then I even serve like we tell them this. Tell them say love about no frightened way. Say I talk no. From over distant land and says Jah reveal them all to way. See the newspaper print up them bag a lie. To the internet round the world it a fly. Now so much people have so much to say. little youths. And the murderer amongst it and the hungry and homeless too. You live for talk, so why you not talk and write about the things what make people check them heart? No, the brother talk about things where there's no proof in what they say. Tell them say love about no right away. They say I talk hypocrite at all. From over distant land and says, shall reveal them out to way. See the newspaper print up them bag of lies. Sweet and soul about Jah, Jah, Jah love. The world needs Jah, Jah, Jah love. Okay. Try Jah love.
Teach them.
We all
Teach
need
them.
Jah. Try Jah love.
All over the world. Listen.
Open up your heart and your mind. I'm telling you, it's time to realize that your love is real, and no money can change that. No ounce, no kind of vanity. If you know that a pure love, come and read about it. Feel your vibes, is heavens, is holy. Hey, there's a spot for everyone if you open up your heart. It's all about Jah, Jah, Jah love. The world needs Jah, Jah, Jah love.
Every time.
Try Jah love. We all need Jah. Try Jah love.
So many times we see the children crying. Cry. They're crying, yeah. We have a duty to leave the children in the future, yeah. We can heal all pain.
It's all about Jah, Jah, Jah love. The world needs Jah, Jah, Jah love.
Where you searching me,
Try Jah love.
I know you gonna dig this.
Reggae capital. Reggae